Jesus, who was placed on the cross to save Christian people, commands us all in common to go recover the Holy Land where he came to die for our love. And if we do not wish to obey him, there where all the wounds will end, we will hear many harsh reproaches. For the holy paradise that he promised us, where there is neither pain nor torment, he now wishes to give freely to those who go with the Marquis across the sea to serve God. And those who do not wish to follow him, there will not be one brown or bay who cannot have great fear from it. And see what the world is like, that he who follows it most takes the worst from it. But there is only one good advice, that one leave evil and take good. Since death wishes to attack all, no one can nor knows how to escape. Therefore, since we all die in the same way, he is truly mad who lives wickedly or foully.
I see all the world overcome with deceit and with guile, and the unbelievers are already so many, that right and faith scarcely reign, for each strives to betray his friend to enrich himself, but traitors are caught in the same trap as he who drinks poison with milk.
The Catalans and Aragonese have an honored and worthy lord, generous and frank and wise, humble and upright and courteous. But he too much impoverishes his serfs, whom God lowers and hates, for they are always on the lookout to do harm and damage at court. A shamed king is worth less than a peasant when he lives like a coward and weeps for the goods that another spends and loses what his father conquered. Such a king should be killed and buried in a foul place, who defends himself like a coward and neither takes nor gives a gift. I do not love old ladies at all when they live in a base manner, against love and against youth, for they have placed true rank so badly. It is hard to tell and to speak, and hard to listen and to hear, for noble courtship is so completely fragile that among them one finds no joy. if you hold me in such defense that I think of nothing else.
But to do your command, and if I could serve you with pleasure between undressing and dressing, no evil could ever come to me. For your word and your deed have the savor of a rose of May.
King of Leon, without lying, you ought to gather honored worth, like he who sows in a field, tempered with moisture, with sweet delight.